Hello guys, I'm playing foxcraft survival mode. So if you want to know why I'm not on hot pictures, because it's laggy, and you want to know why I'm not on server because it's got connection. It's lost connection. It's won't pull up. And also, I'm making me a new skin. Yep. And also, leave a like and leave a comment if you like this for this video. And also, while I'm eating summer flesh. Oh well. I made a new start on survival mode here. And you don't know why Mexico not play with me? Well, we kinda had a secret date and become girlfriend and boyfriend secretly. And the next couple of 4 days ago, she broke up with me. And yeah, I'm finding me a new girlfriend. So yeah, and also, let's cook some glass for that building. I have no money when I start on this game this for the first time. And also, let's get me some glass. Oh, lag. No, okay. Lag. No, yeah. Yep, 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 oh, yep, wait, yep, yep, okay. Oh, okay. I don't know why I'm still eating rotten fish, flesh, but okay. Alright. Also, I built this without copying any branch. So, yeah. Copy. I never copy anything. I never copy any styles or builds. I built my own styles without copying any others, so yeah. I'm a pretty good builder here. I still have to build the roof up here. Yeah. Okay, let me show you my room. I know it's nothing much, but I have to deal with it. And yeah, I know my linked farm is one yeah, it's not growing much in the snow, so, and here's my, basement I'm built in, so, yeah. Oh, so, let, what we're going to build, you know, or are we going to, just fish around here? Also, earlier, I got TNT. I finished out a TNT, and it's almost blow me up. I mean, yeah. Now, so, I have no animals except rabbits to kill. And, yeah. So, I know I have not made a lot of videos that much because I have been busy a lot. And yeah, yeah, I'm bubbling. Yeah. So, let me show you my creative builds. They do have creative in the server. So, do you want me to show you my creative build? Or, yeah, now, Mexico Mermaid have, woke up with me and friend me and blocked me from the Discord. And now I moved on and felt still kinda sad about that. But I'm doing good. I have nothing much here. But sit around and build and eat and watch and friends. So, what episode of this? I forget. It don't matter. Also, still trying to find a girlfriend again. Because Mexico Woman 5 broke up with me. So, yeah. Yeah. Okay. I have no more money. What am I supposed to do now? On. I have no money. Yeah. I have no money. Hey now. I have no money. Let me sell some stuff. On. Yeah. Sell. Yeah. Confirm. Nope. I need to sell. I need to sell 15 from I got home. I got that man, see? Well, 4.21, I got that much. Holy heck. Never. Okay. What the heck? Okay. Okay. Nothing much here out here. Really? Okay. Alright. Let's go to place. Where's all the carrots? Well, poop. No carrots, no crap. Alright. Okay, here's the carrots. Go there, bro. Stop, yeah. Okay. Confirm. You need 90% wait. Confirm. Okay. Confirm. How many I got? What the heck? 4.2. Okay. I don't know how to walk this thing. Why everything costs too much? 10 carrots for this much? What the heck? Oh, okay. I have to deal with wooden flesh. And fishes. Don't. And boiling like this. And that's all I have. I'm low on food. I'm low on food. Man. Okay. Okay. I have to face a lot this time. Oh well.